Welcome to IAS Academy. Prior to the 2022 preliminary exam, we will cover 15 previous year MCQs daily in a video. That is a total of 2500 plus MCQs before the exam. So, let's start the session. Our first question is, in Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period, women and Shudra speak which of the following languages? Options here are Prakrit, Sanskrit, Pali, Sauraseni. Here, answer to this question is option A, Prakrit. Sanskrit was the official language of the Gupta period and was used for literacy and academic purposes, while Prakrit was a vernacular language, that is, the language or dialect spoken by the ordinary people. Question number 2. Which one of the following monuments has a dome which is said to be one of the largest in the world? Options are Tomb of Sher Shah, Jama Masjid, Tomb of Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq, Gol Gumbaz. Here, answer to this question is option D, Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur. Gol Gumbaz is the mausoleum of King Muhammad Adil Shah, Sultan of Bijapur, tomb located in Vijaypura, Karnataka. Construction of the tomb started in 1626 and completed in 1656. The name is based on Golagumata, derived from Gol Gumbad, meaning circular dome. It follows the style of Deccan architecture. Question number 3. The Baradokoiti was the first major venture of the revolutionary terrorists of the freedom movement in which of the following regions? Options are the Madras Presidency, Punjab, Bombay, Karnataka, East Bengal. Here, answer to this question is option D, East Bengal. The Baradokoiti was the first major venture of the revolutionary terrorists of the freedom movement in 1908 in Dhaka district of East Bengal. Pulin Bahari Das organized the dacoity, which was conducted in the daylight when revolutionaries attacked the residence of Zamindars of Bara. Question number 4. In the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? Options here are Kula, Vamsha, Kosa and Gotra. Here, answer to this question is option C, Kosa. Kosa was used for treasury and the rest of the three other terms were related to family. Vamsa is a Sanskrit word that signifies family lineage. Gotra structures an exogamous unit, with the marriage inside the equivalent Gotra being restricted by custom. Kula depicts the patriarchal nuclear family. Question number 5. The standard time of the following countries is ahead or behind Greenwich Mean Time, depending on whether they are east or west of the longitude passing through Greenwich. Options are Cuba, Greece, Iraq, Costa Rica, and Japan. Which one of the following sequential orders gives the correct arrangement of the countries according to their standard time from ahead to behind GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time? Here, answer to this question is option A, Japan, Iraq, Greece, Cuba and Costa Rica. Greenwich Mean Time is the standard time for time assessment in different countries of Earth. The countries which lies east of the Greenwich line is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, while the countries which lies west of Greenwich has their standard time behind the Greenwich Mean Time. So the correct sequence of the countries are Japan, Iraq, Greece, Cuba and Costa Rica. Question number 6. The paleomagnetic results obtained from India indicated that in the past, Indian landmass moved to option A, northward, option B, southward, option C, eastward, option D, westward. Here, answer to this question is option A, northward. The paleomagnetic results indicate that Indian landmass has moved to the north, breaking from Africa. Number 7. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC, is an international treaty drawn at option A, UN Conference at Stockholm, option B, UN Conference at Rio de Janeiro, option C, World Summit at Johannesburg, option D, UN Conference at Copenhagen. Here, answer to this question is option B, UN Conference on Environment and Development at Rio de Janeiro. UNFCCC is an international treaty which was signed at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, also known as the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro. The objective of the UNFCCC is to stabilize greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere. Question number 8. Which of the following is or are extra-constitutional and extra-legal devices for securing cooperation and coordination between the states in India? Option 1. The National Development Council. which is an extra constitutional body. Option 2, the Governors' Conference, which is also an extra constitutional body. Option 3, zonal councils, which is statutory body. Option 4, the Interstate Council, which is a constitutional body. So, here the correct answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. Because the NTC and Governors' Conference are not established through any constitutional provision or any law made by the Parliament. Here, Interstate Council is a constitutional body under Article 263 and zonal councils are statutory bodies established by State Reorganization Act 1956 passed by the Parliament. So, the best answer is option 1 and 2. That is option A. Question number 9. Which of the following are among the non-plan expenditures of the Government of India? Here options are defense expenditure, subsidies, all expenditures linked with the previous plan periods, interest payments. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Here, all the options are included in non-plan expenditures of the Government of India. This is largely the revenue expenditure of the government. Although it is also includes capital expenditure, it covers all expenditures not included in the plan expenditure. So, the correct answer is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Non-plan expenditure constitute the dominant portion of budget expenditure. These expenses are spread across defense, interest payments for debt, subsidies and salaries and pensions of employees in various government services. So, the correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 10. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Option 1. Increase in foreign exchange reserves leads to monetary expansion. That is correct. Option number 2. Low import growth rate in India leads to recession in Indian industry. That is also correct. Option 3. Euro issues. That is shares held by Indian companies in European countries. That is not correct. Option 4. Portfolio investment. That includes foreign institutional investors. That is also correct. So, answer to this question is option A, 1, 2 and 4 because option 3 is not correct. Euro issue is a name given to source of finance or capital available to raise money outside the home country in foreign currency. The most frequently used basis of funds that fall under Euro issues are American Depository Receipts or ADR, Global Depository Receipts or GDR, Foreign Currency Convertible Bonds or FCCB. Question number 11. Which one of the following can be used to confirm whether drinking water contains a gamma emitting isotope or not? Options are microscope, scintillation counter, lead plate and spectrophotometer. Here answer to this question is option B, scintillation counter. Here microscope is used to view tiny objects, lead plate is for radiation shielding and spectrophotometer is used to measure the amount of photon absorbed and scintillation counter is an instrument which measures gamma radiation. It is also used in airborne and ground radiometer surveys. Question number 12. Which one of the following pairs of material serves as electrodes in chargeable batteries commonly used in devices such as torchlights, electric showers, etc.? Option A, iron and cadmium. Option B, nickel and cadmium. Option C, lead peroxide and lead. Option D, zinc and carbon. Here, answer to this question is option B, nickel and cadmium. Nickel-cadmium batteries contains nickel hydroxide as positive electrode plate, a cadmium hydroxide as negative electrode plate, and an alkaline electrolyte as separator. Rechargeable batteries have higher initial cost but have lower total cost of use and lower environmental impact than disposable batteries. Question number 13. Which one of the following is a membrane that protects the developing embryo from desiccation? Here options are amnion, allantois, chorion and yolk sac. Here answer to this question is option A, amnion. The amnion or amniotic sac protects embryo from desiccation. It contains amniotic fluid which cushions the embryo from shocks. Question number 14. In the field of space technology, India has demonstrated during 1994 her capability to option A, design advanced intercontinental ballistic missile warning systems, option B, build satellites, option C, build stealth missiles, option D, launch geostationary satellites. Here answer to this question is option D, launch geostationary satellites. The launching of SROS-2 on 4th May 1994 and IRSP-2 on 15th October 1994 showed that India is capable to launch geostationary satellites. Question number 15. Tarun Bharat Sangh, TBS, an organization based in a village near Alwar, that is in Rajasthan, has become famous due to which of the following reasons? Option A. Cultivation of genetically modified cotton. Option B. Rehabilitation of women victims of AIDS. Option C. Livelihood projects for destitute rural women. Option D. Rainwater harvesting. Here answer to this question is option D. Rainwater harvesting. TBS is a non-profitable environmental NGO with headquarters in Bikhambura, Alwar, that is in Rajasthan. Dr. Rajendra Singh, known as Waterman of India, is the incumbent chairman of TBS since 1985. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will continue with the set for tomorrow.